And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over MULTISTAKER. As you can see, this project is going to launch in a few minutes. So in this video, we'll be going over the MULTISTAKER platform. I'm going to stake a position here, but before we do that, we will go over the light papers and the MULTISTAKER smart contract audit. So let's go back to the main site. The most diversified yield farming project ever. The greater the diversification, lower the risk. 10% daily for 30 days, 30% auto reinvestment on withdrawal, 5-level referral system. So the difference between this staking platform and some of the other ones that I've been covering, they structure this platform in a way so that it can run for a longer time. So how are they doing that? They only have one plan that's for 30 days and you can withdraw daily. There is a 30% auto reinvestment on withdrawals. Here to the right, you have your social media platforms and easy access links. And if we scroll down, you can select the contract you would like to review. And as you can see, there is nothing there. Which it is a fair launch. You can see there is no deposits. And here are the different networks that you can stake in. Step number 1, make a minimum deposit. Step number 2, get your referral link. Step number 3, send it to your friends. And step number 4, enjoy your profit. So they do have that referral system for those further incentives. Referral program, stake at least once to receive a referral reward. And here are some frequently asked questions. Can users withdraw initial deposit after 30 days? And the answer for this is no. There is a sunk cost. Whatever you do invest, that money is lost when you deposit. You don't get that money back. But you do recoup that investment in daily rewards. And with these high yield projects, you recoup those within a few days. How are dividends paid? Dividends are paid from deposits of other users. So there is some Ponzi-nomics here, and it's stating here how it works. So obviously there is some risks. What plans are you offering? There's only one plan, 10% a day for 30 days. That means in 10 days you'll recoup your investment, 30% auto reinvestment on withdrawals. Well, not necessarily. So now that makes it 13 days for you to recoup your investment. And then after the 13 days, it's all profit. I have seen very few projects where they give you a high return and the ability to withdraw daily. I like these plans. It gives you the ability to recoup your costs just in case something happens to the project and you won't completely get wiped out. What is the platform fees? 12% on investments, 5% upon withdrawal. And those are the fees. Why are you not providing users with option of multi-plans? So it basically states that they don't want to offer a wide selection where users can stake for a shorter time and affect the longevity of the project. What about referral system? The platform has a 5-level referral system. Users will have to make deposits in all 5 networks to available referral rewards for all the 5 networks. Failure to do so will lead to users getting referral rewards only for the network they have deposited in. So I was wondering about some of these multi-staking plans, how that works. And if you do want to get incentive there for the referrals, you have to deposit on each network. Are you offering any other rewards? Yes, we'll be airdropping NFTs to the following eligible users. The first 10,000 users who invest the USD equivalent of $1,000 onto the MULTISTAKER platform in any currency will be airdropped the MULTISTAKER NFT airdrop on the Polygon chain. This $1,000 threshold only counts initial investments, not reinvestments triggered by withdrawals. And they do have a picture in their light papers of the NFT. We'll go over that in just a bit. Any withdrawal tax? No. However, 30% withdrawable dividends will be automatically reinvested upon users. Okay, so we already went over this. And then the last question here, then why would you not call it withdrawal tax? Because the automatic reinvestment is also the users. The reinvestment will start a new 30-day cycle of dividends for the user on the reinvestment. This will also help the platform last longer, which will in turn benefit users. So they're doing a few different things here to try to sustain the longevity of this project. Now let's take a look at their smart contract audit. They went with Solidity Finance, and we've been seeing a lot of these projects being launched with Haze Crypto. And here is the audit summary. MULTISTAKER is a new staking contract with a referral program on various blockchains. For this audit, we reviewed the following contracts, and they reviewed the MATIC, BUSD, BNB, FTM, and AVAX contracts. And here are some of their audit findings. Please ensure trust in the team prior to investing, as they have some control in the ecosystem. And here's the date and the updated audit here, which is March 19th, 2022, to reflect deployment addresses. So they go over the code and they give you a brief description here. So it's pretty extensive. I will leave a link in the description of this video if you want to come check it out. And if we keep on going here, this is the contract's overview. The MULTISTAKER contract enables users to invest the blockchain's native token or another token asset determined by the team and withdraw dividends made on their investment. Dividends payouts are relying on future investments. So it's very clear here, it's Ponzinomics. Investors can withdraw dividends up to 3 times their principal investment, but can never withdraw their principal investment. Users cannot withdraw more than once in a 24-hour period. The primary beneficiary, controlled by the team, is given 10.8% of any investment and 5% of any reinvestment made. So take note of that. Primary beneficiary also receives an additional 10.5% of any investment where the user has not specified a referral address. So someone will get that referral bonus on every investment. The secondary beneficiary, controlled by the team, is given 1.2% of any investment. An investor cannot list themselves as a referral. You can't try to cheat that system and referral yourself to earn your deposit rewards. A user could get around this by using multiple personal wallets. And it tells you what you need to do so that you do get those extra rewards. This is the first time I see this. That's pretty cool. If the investor's maximum payout is within 0.1% greater than their total attempted withdrawal amount, they cannot withdraw unless their maximum payout is increased. The owner can set primary beneficiary address and the secondary beneficiary address to any value at any time. The owner can open or close investment cells at any time. This does not prevent users from withdrawing their dividends. The owner can transfer the owner role to any address at any time. The contract utilizes the SafeMath library to protect from overflows/underflows. And here are the audit results. So there's different categories here, and it says here they all pass. Here's more information. Here's about Solidity Finance and how to interpret the findings. And that is the MULTISTAKER Solidity Finance audit. And if you go here to go home, it takes you to their Solidity Finance website where you can learn more about their audits. Now let's go over the light papers. So in the light papers, it basically just explained everything we read in the contract and everything that is in the app about the fees, the reinvestment dividends, and the way the contract works. So we know we can invest in multiple different chains, which is great. It shows you the process there, how it works, which we'll do in just a bit. So I'm actually going to deposit here in the Phantom chain. We'll go over that. Here are the frequently asked questions. It does show here 0.05 is necessary for any of the chains. So 0.05 for MATIC, 0.05 for FTM, BUSD, AVAX, and BNB. And here are the NFT rewards. We already went over that. And here are the final NFT designs, and they may differ. So this is what they have going on as of now. Here's the roadmap. Launch of the platform March 20th, which is now in a few minutes. And airdrop of NFT will be April 20th in 30 days. And that is everything you need to know about the MULTISTAKER platform. So if we go back to their homepage, we're just a few minutes away from launch. And as soon as the project launches, I will put on a position here to see how the platform works. All right, now I'm back. The website just launched, and let's take a look how to put on a position here. I'm going with FTM. Let's connect your MetaMask. I'm now connected. And if you scroll down, here is where you deposit that FTM. I'm going to deposit around $500 worth of FTM. I've had success on similar projects where you stake for a longer term, but you can withdraw those rewards daily. So I feel very confident that even if something happens to the project, I'll be able to recoup most of this investment. I'm going to deposit around $500 worth of FTM. If we go to CoinGecko, the conversion of $500 equals to 393 FTM tokens. So I'll do 394 tokens here, and we're gonna see how this goes. In 30 days, I will earn 1,182 FTM. You do have to deduct your initial investment there, but regardless, that's still a 200% profit. You take the total profit here and you subtract 100 cents. That is the sunk cost. So in 2 weeks, I'll be able to recoup my investment. And then in the following 2 weeks, it would be all profit. And the way that I'm calculating that is I'm earning 10% daily, plus there's an additional 30% reinvestment fee. So that brings us to 13 days. So I'm going to press stake here, confirm the contract. Gas fees are minimal here, just a few pennies. This is why I like these networks. Confirm and wait. Awesome, that's been approved. And if you scroll down, it gives you the information. Contract balance, this is new, so I just actually added to this pool. So here's the contract balance, total staked. So the numbers are very low. This is why it's important to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel to be the very first people to come in here and secure those returns. Total reinvestment value, total claim rewards. So here are the restrictions. Withdraw every 24 hours. And here it shows your personal information, wallet balance, FTM to claim, your referral rewards, and your total stake. So let's refresh that just to see the new numbers. And this is what it looks like after you stake. It gives you the countdown timer so that you can claim your daily rewards. And for you to be able to deposit in one of these other networks, you click here down below. So by the time I release this video, the site will be live. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video or found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. It's good for the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.